in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily change the liquid inside the glass for this rotating mockup. I have a full tutorial for how to work with this mockup. The video for that will be linked in the description. To work with the liquid layer, we can first turn on the layer above the glass as seen here to 100% transparency. Then with that layer still selected, click Edit. You can change the liquid either with a filter or by going into Adjustments. Let's first try the filter option. This gives you a whole bunch of pre-made looks that you can apply. To undo the effect, just scroll to the top and click None to return to its original state. For further customization, you can click on Adjust and play around with the settings in there to achieve the look you like. Feel free to screenshot the settings I've included here as examples for a matcha and strawberry milk option. Now that we can customize the coffee layer to any drink you like, you can unlock even more variations for this mockup and mix and match different drinks with different backgrounds to create dynamic animated listings for your product.